Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we dig deep into trending products and websites to find out if they're legit or just another scam trying to take your hard-earned money. Today, we're talking about a product that's been popping up all over social media, the Wowee Cleaner. It claims to make cleaning effortless with powerful stain removal and eco-friendly ingredients. But the big question is, does it really work? Or is it just another online scam? Let's find out. The Wowee Cleaner is advertised as an all-purpose cleaning solution that can remove dirt, grease, stains, and even rust from almost any surface, from kitchens to cars. The website features dramatic before and after videos showing impossible results, sparkling tiles, stainless steel looking brand new, and zero residue. Sounds amazing, right? But here's where things start to look suspicious. When I checked their official website, I noticed a few red flags you should never ignore. No clear company details. There's no physical address, no proper About Us section, and the contact info seems vague or generic. Too many promises. They claim to clean everything perfectly, which is usually a marketing exaggeration. Limited time offers everywhere. The timer resets every time you reload the page. Classic trick to pressure buyers. Copied product photos. A reverse image search shows that many images appear on other unrelated cleaning product sites. These are all warning signs of a potentially unreliable or drop-shipped product. When searching for real reviews, things get even more interesting. Most verified buyers on independent forums report that the Wowee Cleaner doesn't perform as advertised. Common complaints include weak cleaning power, cheap packaging, delayed or no delivery at all, no response from customer service. A few people even claimed they never got a refund after returning the product. That's definitely concerning. After checking the website, customer feedback, and refund policies, here's my honest opinion. The Wowee Cleaner seems more like an overhyped and potentially unreliable product rather than a genuine cleaning innovation. It's not an outright scam, but it's definitely not worth your money given the red flags and poor reviews. If you really want a quality cleaner, I'd recommend going for trusted brands available on Amazon or local stores, where you can easily check verified buyer ratings and refund options. Remember, flashy ads and viral TikTok videos don't always mean a product is real or effective. Always check company background, customer reviews, refund policies, and if you ever doubt a website, visit Online Scam Advisor before you buy anything online. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to help others avoid online traps. Drop a comment below if you've tried the Wowee Cleaner or any similar product. I'd love to hear your experience. Thank you!